time I knew him, he only ever had one goal. To wipe out half the universe.
Microwave!
If he gets all the infinite,
Microwave!
he can do it with the snap of his fingers. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Weedle!
We got one advantage. He's coming to us. We have it.
Weedle!
So that's what we use.
Let's talk about this plan of yours. I think it's good, except it sucks. So let me do the plan, and that way it might be really good.
Wow.
The end is near. When I'm done, half will
Microwave!
still exist. Perfectly balanced. As all things should be. I hope they remember you.